What's up guys, this is Pete. I was just walking through the Infinity Label Group print lab and I realized the ink was out on one of our C3500s. I figured this would be a good opportunity to make a quick video and show you how to replace the ink cartridge on one of our favorite printers. Let's take a look. One of the benefits of the Epson C3500 printers is that they don't need much maintenance. When they do, they'll tell you exactly what they need. As you can see, our status light's blinking here, and our display says to replace the ink. Which ink do we need to replace? Well, right above the M here, there's an X. So we know the magenta ink cartridge is the one that's out. I have my Epson C3500 ink cartridge here, available from infinitylabelgroup.com, of course. We're going to take this out of the packaging. Usually there will be a plastic around this and some instructions, but for the speed of the video, I just took it out already. We have our ink cartridge. All we're going to do is press the old one in until it clicks, and it'll slide out easily. That's our empty ink cartridge. We'll set that aside. The new one, make sure that this is upright and you can read the letters here, and that push is out. That's all you're going to do. Push it in until it clicks. Make sure it's secure. Close the door. Thanks for watching our video on replacing the ink on your Epson C3500 printer. If you have this error message and you don't have any ink sitting around, you should go to infinitylabelgroup.com where we've got all the supplies you could need. Or for more information on the printer, visit IPSiscan.com. That's IPSiscan.com. This has been Pete. Have a good day.